Hi, today let's discuss third person omniscient narrator. So, third person, therefore the narrator is external to the story. Omniscient, all knowing, and therefore has knowledge of the thoughts and feelings of multiple characters. They can provide insights into various characters' perspectives. A lot of epic novels and big novels um, actually use the third person omniscient narrator. Actually, if you're a writer, it's the easiest narrator to use because you can cheat your way. You can set up multiple plot and no one will know why you know this plot. So, for example, epic fantasy, The Hobbit, J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit, the narrator is definitely an omniscient narrator because they provide a broad view of the events and characters' inner workings. So we're able to understand it from the perspective of the elves, the dwarves, and the hobbits. Another very long novel is Anna Karenina by Lev Tolstoy, and the the omniscient narrator, offers insights into the thoughts and emotions of multiple characters. So use it if you are going to build a complex universe in your story.